Mazda Bongo repair day, and got a small welding patch to do, and I've got the vehicle jacked up. I've got wheel blocks, axle stands, trolley jack, and I'll show you what I've got to where the hole is. Driver's side, very small one, just there. That's my finger, just a small hole. So I cleaned the metal up and I made a plate. This one, which will go on there, stopping any more rot going in, and hopefully that'll do the job. Well, that's the panel welded in, and it's just a matter of doing some under seal on it, and yeah, proper job. Right, so let's have a look underneath at what I've done. Oh, what's been done? Oh. That's where the plate's gone on, and I've undersealed, redone all this along here with the underseal right towards the back, and I shall do the rest tomorrow. Give it a good going over, and then see the oil on the gearbox and stuff. I want to see where it's coming from, as I'm not sure. I wonder if it's coming from the rocker box. Not sure where it's coming from. Yeah. Anyway, I should take this off, this plastic shield, so I can look at it. Yeah, that'll be my next job.